Today we are going to discuss about the Unit 3 electrical installation. So in an electrical installation, the classification of the wiring system, earthing. So in the types of earthing like pipe earthing, plate earthing, strip earthing, then online UPS and offline UPS, then followed by energy efficient lamp like fluorescent lamp, CFL and LED. So generally the electric wiring is a process of connecting various accessories for distribution of electrical energy from supplier's meter board to home appliances such as a lamp, fan and other domestic appliances is known as a electrical wiring. So generally we have two type of services. One is a single phase service, another one is a three phase service. So based on the load and the requirement, we have to categorize the single phase and three phase system. So generally the how to select the wiring. So the durability, safety, appearance, cost, accessibility and the maintenance cost. These are all the some of the factors for selecting the wiring. So generally wiring layout is represented here. So for the room 1 and room 2 etc. Then washroom, then the EB, electrical the meter box. From the meter box we have to connect the MCB is nothing but a miniature circuit board. It is a double pole system. So from that we have to categorize into the individual rooms. For the individual rooms we have to fix a individual MCB for independent control operation. So that is for the single phase. Another one is a 3-room electrical wiring with a full house wiring system. The 3 rooms is nothing but a bedroom 1, then bedroom 2, hall, kitchen and the study room and etc. So based on the requirement you have to increase the rooms. So generally how the electrical system is functioning is from the the electrical steel conductor to the cement pole, 2 lines conductor, from the 2-line conductor to the meter box, from the meter box to main switch. The main switch nowadays we are using the MCB, a 3-phase or 2-phase MCB. So based on the single phase or 3-phase, from that we have to connect it to the panel box. So the panel box we are nowadays we are using the the earth leakage circuit breaker, ELCB. So that is from the lightning or low voltage or high voltage, whatever the external causes are happened, the ELCB will trip all the electrical supply system from the load to the input. That is a very safest one. Nowadays we are all are using the in the meter panel box. And also here I am mentioning the cable size selection. So based on the rating of the current we have to select the cable size and the nature of load you are using. So here also I am mentioning the how the connections are given virtually, visually. The MCB box, then meter box, then MCB rating and the wiring and etc. So here also mentioning the the cement concrete pole to the your house, how the connections are made. Then the type of wiring. So the cleat wiring, casing and capping, button wiring. In the button, CTC or TRS or PVC sheets are used for wiring. Then lead sheathed. Then fourth one is a conduit wiring. Again the fourth one is subdivided into the 2 surface or open conduit and concealed or undergrounded type of conduit. So these are all the classification of the wiring. So for the cleat wiring, so the cables are supported and gripped between the porcelain sheet and it is 6 mm above the wall or roof. The main part is a base, so it is grooved to the accommodate the cable. Whether you can look at the picture, you can easily understand how the cables are accommodated with the cleat wiring. It is a part of the cap which is put over the base. The cleat are placed above the wall or roof or interval between the 30 to 60 centimeter. The cable are recommended for this wiring is a vulcanized Indian rubber, that is nothing but a VAR or PVC cable and any other approved insulated cable. So mainly the advantage is a cheaper system. Installation is very easy, less skill to operate the the wiring. Disadvantage is a temporary wiring system. Appearance is not good. So here I am mentioning the pictorial representation. When we look at the pictorial representation, you can easily understand. The next one is a casing and capping. So generally the casing and capping, it is a rectangular block made for, it is a seasoned and not free wood, preferably teak wood. The casing is usually the two or U-shaped grooves into VR PVC cable laid, such as a opposite polarity cables are laid in the different grooves. The system of wiring is suitable for low voltage installation. So here I am put into the diagram. So advantage is a good insulation conductor. It provides a good mechanical strength. And the disadvantage is a costly system. It is because need seasoned, not free wood, even risky or fire. The labor cost is more. The system cannot be used for the damp places. So these are all the wiring.